So it's been a pretty quiet week on the roads. Anything that I did press the button on, I've lost, because the good thing about the dash cam, it refreshes itself. Just drives over itself. Anyway, this is what I saw. The reason you should carry a dash cam. Look. Oh, where did he come from? Where did he come from? And how did he get there? What's that all about? So the good thing about the dash cam is you can go back and have a look. So see the whole situation. It was bank holiday. It was the Friday before the bank holiday. The roads were chocker, absolutely chocker. So let's and this is why we need the hard shoulder rather than an extra lane, because the only people who use the extra lane is the cheaters. So let's and you can make a mistake. You can find yourself in the wrong lane. You can go, oh damn, I wasn't meant to be here. So anyway, watch this inside lane now. Watch this inside lane. That's the left turn lane. No, not him. No, not him. There we are. Keep going. Keep going. Oop, now, watch him. He's coming at he's quite confident in himself. So I'd say that he's not made a mistake and is in the wrong lane, because, you know, we're none of us perfect. It happens, doesn't it? So he's coming at quite some. Let's back that up for you to see the whole thing. There we are. Let him run. Watch up this side. He's coming at some pace. So he's quite confident being in that lane. Keep an eye on that tipper, yeah. Keep an eye on that tipper. So we're coming around here now. I know we're obscured by this van, aren't we? But anyway, we just come in a position waiting for people to make mistakes. And look where he pops out there. He gives us all a bad name. Where did your CPC training come into that? Bad boy gives us all a bad name. We don't all drive like that. We're not all lunatics. But that was cheating. That was cheating. Naughty boy. Gives the trade of being truck drivers. And I know I always knock the car drivers, but I was talking to someone the other day. 50%, I'd say now, for as many car drivers out there, there's almost as many bad truck drivers out there. The roads are becoming crazy. Yeah. So these Road Hawks are an amazing bit of kit, these DC3s. Idiot proof. All you have to do is plug the electric into them. It does everything. Now a lot of you, I know, you have to come out and clean the card and put it back in. This is idiot proof. It'll record a certain thing, and it'll remember certain things when you press the button. That's the record button. Just press it and it'll remember the minute before and the minute after. And it refreshes itself. So what's happened here is it recently refreshed itself. So everything that I had remembered and hadn't downloaded that day, or that week I should say, gets disregarded. That's where you got to catch them straight away. But just to let you know, this recorded from 5:30 in the morning all the way. This is all every minute of the day, all the way through until I switched it off at 1:30. So amazing. The records every moment, every minute, to protect yourself. That's all you're doing it is to protect yourself from it. So my recommendation is get yourself a half decent dash cam, and one day you might just see something that nobody else sees and the whole film goes viral. Yeah. And then you earn a few bob out of it. Who knows? Protects you. And it might be a crash, it might be an asteroid, it might be whatever, there might be something, you know, there might be a celebrity or somebody worth a lot of money crashes their car in front of you, and then you can sell the film to them if you don't want anyone else to see. Well, you're gonna have to pay, aren't you? So there's keep yourself safe, and you might just one day. It's a bit like doing the lottery. One day you might just film something that nobody else has got the footage of, and it might be worth a lot of money to you. Who knows? So what I like about this in this format is if somebody says to you, what were you doing at 40 minutes past 5, Reggie? Well, I was on my way out to do my day's work. So let's give ourselves, where were you an hour later? We'll go by the hour. So 6 o'clock, random place. Let's have a look. What were you doing? Click, click, come on. What were you doing at 6 o'clock, Reggie? Well, I was on my way, wasn't I? I was on my way. Oh yeah, give it a few more minutes. Give it to there. 6:04. I was on my way, going to get my first collection, queuing to go in to get loaded. So yeah, fine. And then where were you an hour later? Say 7 o'clock, right? Let's choose 7 o'clock. Where were you at 7 o'clock, Reggie? Well, where I was at 7 o'clock was I was waiting for them to deal with these people. I was waiting in the queue. Look, I'm in front of the queue waiting to get dealt with. Okay, where were you at 8 o'clock? Had you got loaded by then? Let's have a look. 8 o'clock. Where were we at 8 o'clock? 8 o'clock. Let's have a look. Come on. 8 o'clock. We've gone round the corner and we were getting loaded. Okay. Oh, we were getting loaded. Right. So 8. Let's do 9 o'clock. Where were you at 9 o'clock? Let's have a look. 9 o'clock. We were... That's 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock, let's go back a little bit. So we'd loaded there, hadn't we? Let's go back a few minutes, yeah. We were here preparing our paperwork, picking up our number, ready to go into the rail freight terminal so that we could get rid of our, there's the cranes, look. So at just before, here we are, 8:45, we were going in. We got up, we went to the scrapyard, didn't we? We loaded with material, and we've got a full box on us now. So let's go get rid of this box. I've picked up the instructions to what my next job is, what my second job is. So that's what we were doing. Okay, so 9 o'clock. No, that was 9 o'clock. Where were you at 10 o'clock then, Reggie? So let's go to 10 o'clock. Where was I at 10 o'clock? 10 o'clock, we were... Oh, queuing in traffic. Now, have we got there yet? No. This was... At 10 o'clock, the roads were beginning. Oh, this is coming up past. This is coming past. Everybody knows this is the REC building, isn't it? Push it on a minute. Let's push it on a minute. Let's see if we get past the REC building. So, this is my natural habitat in the bloody queue. 1 minute past 10. Right. Give it another minute. Here we go, come on. There we are, look. We're coming up to the REC building. Okay, so where were you at 11 o'clock, Reggie? I'll tell you exactly where I was at 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Double click, there we are. Let's go back. We've got our, let's go back a bit. 10:50. Let's, where does that bring you? Oh, we'd been waiting. I think they were on their tea break. I arrived at this place. Hold on. So we've gone in. We did scrapyard in the morning, didn't we? And then we got rid of that box. So this is a, what was this? Oh, this was a delivery, wasn't it? Yeah. Go back a minute or two. So some places can be quite frustrating. Here we are. Let's go back a little bit more. Give it a few more minutes. Yeah, nobody tells you what you got to do, where you got to go. We found a ramp, that'll do us. There's a ramp here and there was another ramp round the corner. So here we are arriving. Where do you want your container, mate? Where do you want your container? It was tea break, so there was no one around. So anyway, we got redirected. So that was 10:30. 10:30, 11, shall we say. 10, 9, 10. 10:30, yeah. So at 11:30, they'd finished the tea break. 12:30 we want, isn't it? 12:30. Where were we at 12:30? Here I am coming back with my bit of paper. Yeah. You can always tell it's me. So here we are now. They've redirected us. Let's go before that. They've sent us, sometimes the case, it took them ages to discover, to send me to another part of the building, which is only just down the street. Same, there we are. But it was a storage facility, not in their name. So I'd been to them and their office, and then they said, oh no, it's not for here. It's somewhere else. Hold on. Let's give this a, there we are, look, here I am. Let's go in here. There we are. So 11:14, after waiting for them to finish their tea break, they told me, there we are, trying to find instructions. Hold on. We're about to go through the gates. Let's go back a bit more. Where am I? Roaming around somewhere. Trying to find the bloke. Oh, he was called something. They gave me the name of the bloke that I had to find. Here I am, look. Queuing to go in there, which was a different place. So, where were we at 12 o'clock? We were, let's go to 12 o'clock. Yeah, we were still getting tipped. It was pretty quick though, so let's go 12:30. Where were we at 12:30? 12. Okay, 12:40 we'll say. Are we still here? Come on. I know, 12:40. We're out and on our way. And of course it was Friday, wasn't it? So we've come up through Brown Hills. Let's hey, yeah, I'm coming now. But anyway, basically went from there to fuel. 4:30. We've got to go this way. They are. 1:30. Where were we at 1:30? Dinner's ready. 15 minutes past 1. Oh yeah, we're fuel, so let's come back a bit. Yeah, Friday, so we had to fill with fuel, didn't we? Hold on. Go back a bit more. Yeah, here we are. Queuing. So it records every minute of what you've done. So if a question comes up, you've got it, haven't you? You've got it should you need it. Yeah. So anyway, right, we're going for, what's he doing? Oh, he's reversing. And the kids are, yeah. What's all that about? I'm going up the back there. It's nice. Oh, we must put that light off or she'll shout at us. Burning electric.